In today's video, we made Halloween treats, and we made hay bales and rattlesnakes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like today's video. For the hay stacks, we're gonna use butter, Rice Krispies, and marshmallows. It's gonna be so delicious. First, we're gonna put the butter into the pot to medium. And after the butter is done, we're gonna put the marshmallows in.
Put it in.
We will keep on stirring till this butter is completely melted. Now that the butter is melted, we're gonna put in the marshmallows.
Next bag.
It's always good to taste. We're gonna keep stirring it on medium heat so it doesn't burn. Now that the marshmallows are melted, I'm gonna pour in half of the Rice Krispies. Now that the Rice Krispies are mixed in, we're gonna add some more. It's good to understand that I don't always use measuring utensils. For this video, we're gonna stir till the Rice Krispies are thick. For this portion, we're gonna need a doll's help to pour it out. So my dad's gonna pour it out right now. I hope it doesn't burn you again.
Into a buttered pan.
Into a buttered pan. That looks good, guys. If you like this, subscribe to our channel. To make these look thick like a hay bale, we're gonna use half of a pan. Did I do it? While this cools down, we're gonna start to our next treat. For the rattlesnake, we're gonna need a crescent roll and cooked baked hot dogs. They need to be fully cooked hot dogs. We are going to cut these down into bite-sized pieces. Just remember, always safe knife practices.
Roll that knife.
Now we're gonna roll our hot dogs in the snake bites. Now once they're all wrapped, you're gonna put them in the oven.
And close it.
Now that we're done, we're gonna shape it into a snake. Ketchup for the tongue and
Peppercorn.
peppercorn for the eyeballs. So, now look at it, guys. Doesn't it look so neat and so cool and stuff?